we're going to weld some sacrificial pieces of metal underneath our floorboards. I tend to ride the mountains and I tend to drag my floorboards and I end up ruining them, so decided to weld some sacrificial, just blocks of steel. Let me grab one. This right here. I'm going to mount them on there and see if it works. So, here we go. This would be better if I had regular vice grip style clamps, but this is what I got. If you look at it, right, see how worn off this is. I've already ground off some of the residual of it there. That's going to be sticking down pretty far. I just hope I don't run into a problem when I'm running. weld is much better. Still not beautiful, but for this purpose, it should be great. I did both sides. I didn't go on a rod yet, but I'll do that tomorrow. I'm hoping they'll stay. I think they will. I mean, I welded the crap out of that first one, and it's pretty ugly for sure, but it'll probably do the job. All right, on to the next one.